What's up, guys? My name is Leda Fazal. I own Tone Hair Salon in Raleigh, North Carolina, and today we are doing a dematting. We are dematting Joanna. All right, girl, you want to tell us your story?
After I suffered a cardiac emergency, I had a heart condition called prolonged QT syndrome that I was unaware of, so I wasn't being treated for it. One night, I had no symptoms, everything was normal. My boyfriend and I went to sleep. In the middle of the night, he heard me wake up and I was gasping for air. And he didn't know what was wrong, but he did CPR and called the paramedics. When the paramedics got there, my jaw was locked and they had to find a way to get me oxygen because I wasn't breathing. So they had to knock out 6 of my front teeth.
Wow.
So I'm now in the process. I've had all of them pulled. And I'm in the process of implants now. So.
Wow. So then being bedridden is why your hair got matted.
Yeah.
Oh, did you happen to have any of those gel things that, they stick on you, or is it just from being bedridden and being unmobile probably?
Yeah, I was just bedridden.
Dang. All right, guys, I'm going to turn her around and show you guys the mat that we're going to be taking out today. All right, so it's a big one, guys. We've got 4 people working on it today. We are, of course, asking for any donations will be sent right to her, and it helps pay for the cost of the service. And then, we would love for the service to be paid for, and then maybe she can go outside and treat herself to something at the mall. But Joanna, you are in great hands today. I appreciate you coming all the way to Raleigh. She's from Durham. She's not that far away, but we're gonna take care of you today. You excited?
Yeah, I was following you guys when I was in New York because I loved what you were doing with the dematting, and I was like, I'll have to get there someday to see them, and now I live down here and I'm here.
Oh my God. Can I give you a hug?
Yeah.
All right, girl. Let's get this started. Let's go.
So this is Joanna's mat. As you can see, it's actually pretty malleable. What that means is basically that it's squishy, it's flexible, movable, it's not compact, super tight, or hard. It definitely has form, but it is squishy, which makes our job a little easier in getting that product in there and all of that. Unfortunately, more often than not, a lot of our demattings come from being hospitalized. I know not everybody wants to get their hair brushed by a stranger, but if you work in healthcare, please take a few minutes out of your day and just brush your patient's hair, braid it up so that you don't have to worry about it and they don't have to worry about it. Because recovery takes time, and the more time it stays matted, it's just more time for it to get more tangled in there, and we do not want that. Since the mat was pretty malleable, we got 1/2 out pretty quick. In every situation, no matter how long the mat has been in for, it is still completely different, and every mat takes a different amount of time. Yes, our consultations do give you a quote of how long we think it's going to be, but some cases, like today, it's shorter than what we thought, and in some cases it can go longer. I believe she was quoted 5 to 7 hours during the consultation, but once she got in, we got her in and out. After that, she got a good loving scrub and a good head massage. We don't always show this part, but it's always given, and it's the best part in my opinion. Then she gets whatever haircut and hairstyle that she wants. Now I'm gonna leave you to watching the rest of the video. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below any questions you have, and subscribe to our channel to stay posted on more demattings. If you or anybody you know is struggling with mats, please give our salon a call. You are not alone, and it is not impossible. We have a team of stylists who specialize in this and are ready to help you. With love.
Hair is so healthy, shit happens.
You got people online tearing up.
Girl.
Oh, we love you. Group hug. Come on.
Girl, you deserve it.
Oh yeah.
Yes. Yes, then finish that. She back. She bougie. She better than ever. Yes. Thank you. Yes.
Bouncing back and forth between the two.
And then I'm gonna have you Y'all, that did not take long at all. I think God was on her side today because that was the shortest dematting I think we've ever done. You want to turn around for me? Look at this gorgeous hair, you guys. All of our hair is saved. That's something special that we do. We do have a team of 3 to 4 stylists, usually and always, and we don't salvage the hair. So you'll never see chunks missing, right? Her hair is fully intact, as if nothing happened, and she can start her journey again. So thank you so much for finding us and trusting us.
Guys, get in for the group hug.
Here, group hug.
Come on, guys. Go, guys, group hug.
Group hug.
I have to be.
And this is our lovely staff.
Our girl.
It's a team effort here, guys.
Kaylin, run.
You wash your hair?
Sorry, one second. She's on the phone.
I'm on the phone with a client.
Get in, Becky.
Love you guys. Sorry, we have somebody in the salon.